Now I'm going to demonstrate you a very important area which we use at cortical mastoidectomy, and that is McEwen's triangle. Now what is this McEwen's triangle? It is a triangle, or it's an imaginary triangle that is formed over the mastoid body, and this is a very important landmark to find the mastoid antrum, which is the largest air cell of mastoid. Now I'm going to show you what are the boundaries of this McEwen's triangle. It is also called as the triangle of attack. See here, this is the whole of the mastoid cortex which we have exposed, right? Now we have to explain first what is this. This is the external auditory canal. This is the anterior side of the external auditory canal. This is the posterior side. This is the superior end, and this is the interior end. And what we are seeing here, this is the mastoid cortex. Now, what is McEwen's triangle? If we draw an imaginary line well along the posterior canal wall, so here one along the posterior canal wall, this is the side which we draw the first imaginary line, okay? Second imaginary line is the one which we draw towards this supramastoid crest. Now you see this kind of an elevation over here. This is a little elevated. So this is called as supramastoid crest. So one along the supramastoid crest, one line along the posterior canal wall, and a tangent joining the two. So we will get a triangle, okay? And this triangle is called as triangle of attack. Now, within this triangle, if we go 1.5 centimeters deep inside, we will find the mastoid antrum, or the largest air cell of mastoid. So this is about McEwen's triangle.